Good. I'm actually applying to OPP next week.
You gonna apply?
Yeah.
Do you have any tickets?
Just one speeding, but it expired. I had an interview, but it didn't go good. I didn't get it.
You got a camera in your pocket?
Yeah.
I just keep applying.
Yeah.
Are you from around here?
Yeah, just around the corner.
You know Johnny?
No.
Rides bikes, does stunts and stuff?
No.
No? Or Shane?
No.
Like Pocock guys. We used to go to Pocock.
Oh, really? That's where I went.
They're my age though, like 32.
Okay. Yeah, I just got into riding like last year, so I don't really know too much.
They do all the stunting up around like, they go up by the airport and do a lot of like the stunting.
Yeah. I work.
But, like I say, I used to ride with them.
Yeah.
Just keep it safe, man.
Yeah, I will.
Take it to a parking lot, you know?
Yeah. All right, have a good one. That's a cool cop, man. He wasn't even a dick about stunting. He's like, keep it safe. You're gonna stunt in the parking lot.